Hi guys, it's great to have you back for another episode. Today we're going to be looking at all things battens. I'm very excited for this episode, so let's get into it. Whilst the vision for our home was a country aesthetic, we wanted to tie in some architectural features into the home. What we've done is we've incorporated a gable end roofline, and to help create the grandeur of the space, we have used DecoBatten to accentuate the area. The profile we've selected is a 50 by 50 two-piece batten. And these battens come in 6.5 metre lengths, enabling us to get that height that we needed at this end in one long length. So as we move around to the front of the house, we decided we actually wanted to continue this feature to wrap around the front of the house and disguise our sectional garage door. So one of the things we wanted was to avoid having a bulky garage door at the very front of our house. What we've been able to do here with the DecoBatten is integrate it seamlessly into the facade of the house. So this system is a two-piece system. This part is the base that gets screw fixed onto the wall. This part snaps on the outside. DecoBatten also features what's called a space base, and that was even more advantageous on the install because it automatically set the spacing for us. Here we've got a 50mm wide batten, and the space base has automatically done a 25mm space. One of the great things about choosing DecoBatten for the facade was we were able to choose a deco wood finish that matches exactly to the deco wood finish on our windows and doors. So let's talk about versatility. The DecoBatten product has been incredibly versatile on our home. We've just seen it used to create grandeur and length on one of our architectural feature walls, and also be complemented by discreetly hiding the garage door. What we've done is we've actually then integrated it further in other pockets of the facade. We've included the same DecoBatten look across the high side of the back wall. So there you have it. DecoBatten was an ideal product choice for us to integrate across the garage door, the gable end wall, and other feature walls around the house. Thanks for joining us on this episode, and I can't wait to see you again when we talk about our decking selections.